My name's Alison Price. I'm the business analyst working on Carousel Digital Service. My part to play in 3 Amigos Process is the voice of the business really, working with the developers and the QA tester to make sure that the story that we're building is the right thing, that the developer does understand what he's building, and we're all on the same sort of thinking point. Not that they're starting a story and developing the wrong thing and I check it and it's completely irrelevant. So it's just a conversation really to make sure we're actually starting off at the right point. But also it can create conversations like a 3 Amigos process we did earlier today, where that and there was actually more to the story than we actually thought, so we might actually break out and create new stories from that. And that's what sometimes can happen in a 3 Amigos process. It's not a cut and dry process, it is a conversation. Sometimes we go from 3 Amigos to what we call the Magnificent 7, where a lot more people are involved. But generally it's just a conversation between developers, myself and the QA, and it's just the voice of the business, voice of the developer, voice of the tester to make sure that we're building the right thing. Later on the journey there's a superseded page that will be presented in terms of the
okay, so if they go back into any of those four with the fifth, it will say sorry, it's on your latest point. Ray Robinson, Principal Test Analyst. My part within the 3 Amigos is to look at how we can inject quality into the product that we're going to deliver to the customer. So from my perspective, I look at a lot of the non-functional side of things as well, so things like the security of the solution, performance, whether there's any accessibility concerns that we might have, or operationally. So when I go into the 3 Amigos process, I'm looking at the story that's been written and I try to look at more acceptance criteria, which brings out how can we make this more secure, how can we make it a bit faster for the user? Operationally, if something goes wrong, how would that be communicated to the user? So that's my role in 3 Amigos.
If they're on the check your answers page and go back to about your personal details and take the email address off, then save the later will be disabled.
Okay. So my name's Peter, I'm a developer on cabs. My job on a 3 Amigos is there's a story on the board, I want to take that story and start developing it. So then I get Ali and Vinny to come and we discuss the story, all the acceptance criteria, and that's how we decide. And I try and see if there's any gaps in the story, and then once we've done the story, then I go away and develop it.